Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. Have you ever tasted a fruit and then you can't find it again at the grocery store? Well, don't worry, Tropijoy has you covered with the most exotic, delightful gourmet dried fruits and nut set. This is really nice with a variety of 11 different flavors of unique fruits. Well, we have cashews that are packaged within a package within a package, so everything tastes fresh upon eating. The dragon fruit, the lilikoi, which is labeled as passion fruit. These are things that you can find in different parts of the world. Also, the guava was delicious, the papaya, and everything was so good that we had a hard time not eating it as soon as it was opened. It was so fun and helped us to enjoy our adventure, getting the unique nourishment that we're able to enjoy. This would be a great thank you gift. This is something that I'll remember to bring to any party so that it'll stand out and be delightful for everyone. We love it, but that's just our point of view.